GM and welcome to a new video. This is part 16 of the Abstract series already. This is week 13 of the main net of Abstract with my weekly updates. As you can see here, there is no new flash badge. It's still the Roach Racer, so you can still get this even though it was announced that this one would be claimable a little bit shorter than it is now. So if you haven't claimed this one, make sure to watch my last video. I'm gonna link it here. I explain in detail how to get this badge. Since it's still there, make sure to get it if you have not done this. There is no new flash badge, but I got a nice overview that I found over all the badges that you can get with the regular badges, the flash badges, the secret badges. We're gonna go into that, but first of all, let's look into a few things that have been going on in the Abstract ecosystem. First of all, a little change in the portal. You can now collapse the sidebar, so you have more screen here. Apart from that, there's not much changes. Let's go through some other updates. There has been a lot of talk about the tips for the creators. Cigar posted 20th of April, almost 1.7 million earned by creators on Abstract through tips on streams. And also, let's scroll a little bit up here. There has been a new record, breaking the tip record on Abstract chain with a tip of 6.9 ETH, which is a lot of money. You can see this here. So congrats on that one. Apart from that, Myriad Games, also some numbers. They have 2 million volume on Myriad. You can place some bets there. Talking about the streamers and the clips, stream clipping on the Abstract portal just got a major overhaul as well. You can now specify the length of your clip and easily adjust it to clip the exact moment you're looking for. Happy clipping, friends. You can see this here. I'm gonna put this in full screen. You can see this here that you're now able to clip from the different streams. Let's see what the next flash badge is. But speaking of the badges, I told you I'm gonna give you a nice overview, and this one is here from Ice, I hope I pronounced it correctly, Ice. And he did a nice Abstract badges overview, and you can see this here. I'm gonna link it down in the description. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss any of the upcoming videos. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, and this is a very great overview. And you can see here all the regular badges. You can see the explanation that all of the badges are soulbound tokens, so you cannot trade them or send them to other wallets. And they can be categorized into regular, which you can see here, flash, which is Roach Racer, this is the current one. They are only available for a certain amount of time. And the secret badges. So basically, I've shown you how to get all of those here in the last videos. The flash badges, you can only claim them, and a lot of you have been asking this, can we still claim those badges? No, you can only claim them while they are active in the rewards tab, like this one here, like the Roach Racer. If they're not active, then there's no way to claim it. But for example, the super duper badge, this one came back after a while, so it might be that the Myriad Master or the Gacha might come back, because Abstract posted something about Gacha, so maybe the Gacha badge is coming back. And then there's also some secret badges. You can see the explanations here. I told you about some of those in the videos, for example, about the Sockmaster or the Onchain Hero, users who participated in season 1 of Onchain Heroes, users who have made banger long-form Twitter content on Abstract. This one here, to be honest, is something given manually by the Abstract team. So this is not something you get automatically. If you want to get this, and if you write a nice thread, then make sure to post it on the Discord, and there's the channel where you can share your social media content. This way they might see it and they might reward you with this badge here. Then we got the Gacha goat. This badge is awarded to those who buy and scratch at least 500 cards in Gacha. I never would do this, but maybe if you have too much money and want to gamble with it, go ahead. Then we have the Multiplier mommy, users who play 300 games of Multiplier. So same here. If you have the time and the money, go for it. I won't do it. Then there's Clippy, users who are actively clipping great content on Abstract streams. This is also manually awarded. So same here, if you post your clips on social media, make sure to share them on the Discord so the Abstract team sees them. And since you have connected your Discord to the Abstract portal, they know which Abstract account belongs to which Discord account, so they can give you the badges. We talked about this one, the Sockmaster, users who own the mythical Abstract socks, and also the Myriad Grandmaster, users who trade at least 500 USDC in trading volume on Myriad markets. Same here, if you have the money, go for it. If not, just skip this badge. We know that all of those badges give you 150 experience points, and yeah, that's basically it. This is a very good overview. As always, as soon as there's a new Flash badge, I will record the next part of the series. This one here was rather a nice overview on what we have so far, on the newest developments. And yeah, next video will definitely be about the new Flash badge and some other developments within the Abstract ecosystem. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.